How to make money on Instagram in 2020, $40,000 per month. Yes, I will show you, I will prove it, case study, all in this video, algorithm proof. Doesn't matter what niche you're in, doesn't matter if you're a personal brand, a repost account, an information account, works regardless of the algorithm, and you can rely and depend on this working for you all the way through 2020 if you want to learn how to make money on Instagram. What up guys, Ben Oberg here, back with another video. I'm gonna show you one very unique strategy that you need to use, and it's called the micro commitment strategy. You've never heard of it anywhere else, you can't Google it. I invented it, it's one of our proprietary methods here at Millionaire Mafia. It's made me hundreds of thousands of dollars in 2019. I'm gonna continue using it in 2020, and it typically makes me $30,000 to $40,000 every single month. So dang near six figures. Don't see a reason why I can't do seven figures with this one method in 2020. And I'm gonna explain to you how it works, and I'm gonna teach you how to implement it. I'll be showing you a case study, I'll be screen sharing with you and walking you through the exact process. Now, really quick, if you have not already subscribed to my channel and you are interested in making money online, and specifically making money on Instagram, I would highly recommend that you subscribe to my channel now. I've been professionally making money online for over 3 years. I did $2.5 million in 2019. The goal is 20 million this year. And throughout 2020, I want to be sharing with you the strategies, the habits, the rituals, and the things that I am doing to get to that 8-figure level. And I'm going to bring you up the ladder with me as much as I can. So definitely make sure to subscribe and tap that notification bell. So I want to talk about the micro commitment strategy. And all you're going to need for this is Instagram stories, and every single one of you with an Instagram account has Instagram stories. You're gonna be using the poll, the quiz, or the question feature, and that's pretty much about it. And then from there, you're gonna have a little bit of direct messages involved. That's it. Now I'm gonna show you on the screen how we do this. Click screen record, 3, 2, 1, boom, we're going. Okay, so real quick, what I will do is I'll see if I actually have one of these ready to go up here. Okay, so on my stories here, this one's not gonna be it, that one's not gonna be it. Okay, now an example of how this would work is, say you posted 4 stories and you made it tell a story, and hence Instagram stories, right? And so your first story was, have you struggled to make money online? And then you put a poll there, yes, no. People vote yes, some people vote no. What did you try as a method to make money online? Then use a quiz. Affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, social media marketing agency, blah, 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 blah. They vote on the quiz. And then the next story is, were you happy with your results? And then have another poll, yes or no. And then your next story was, if I could show you how to get 10x better results than what you had with your previous experience, would you be interested? Yes or no. This was 4 stories, and all of the actions that somebody took on there, voting yes or no, choosing a certain answer on a quiz. These are micro commitments, okay? Do not take these lightly. This is valuable because now you have an audience. You can go, okay, this person voted yes, this person voted no, this person said this, and then you can go, okay, this person said yes, they tried to make money online, and then they said they failed at it, and then they said that their method was they tried affiliate marketing, and then they said, yes, they're interested if they could 10x their results. These are people you can work. Let me give you an example of it. This is a little bit shorter version, but this story right here, my marketing director and I are putting together a new program. And the program essentially is for $6,000. We're gonna sell it at $6,000 when we go public with it. But for $6,000, we're working with clients for 8 weeks. Somebody that is they would consider themselves an expert of something, and somebody that has a product or service that they want to bring to the marketplace and be able to get sales for at a profit. In other words, when they start spending money on ads, we want them to be able to spend $2,000 on ads by the time they're done working with us and make $6,000 back, spend $4,000, make $10,000 back, etc. Our goal is to work with somebody for 8 weeks, be able to compile the case study and go, look, here's a client that we didn't even know 8 weeks prior to this. We started working with, we did this program, and we got them to $10,000 a month. That's why this is sure, guaranteed, it will work. And then when we go on the road, we're gonna use that case study to sell it at $6,000. In the meantime, we wanna work with somebody that we don't charge $6,000 and will work with us on a discount in exchange for being our testimonial for that, all right? So what I put here is my marketing director and I are working on a new program for business owners and entrepreneurs. We're looking for 2 individuals or businesses to work with for the next 8 weeks that want to sell a product or service online. Swipe over for more info, okay? So then the next story, going to the next story, is the program will cost $6,000 when we go public. We're looking for 2 clients who have a product or service that they want to make at least $10,000 a month with in the next 60 days. We will be working with you one-on-one for the next 8 weeks. By the end of the 8 weeks, you will be in pure profit. Our goal is to use your success as a case study. In exchange, the price for you to join will only be $3,000, because we do have fees to this. Isn't even a sales pitch. Like, we have fees we have to cover. So we're just trying to cover about $2,500 in our costs and then pay ourselves a couple $100 out of it. That's why it doesn't make sense for us to do it any less than $6,000, because we need to actually be able to make money with it, obviously. So we're gonna do it $3,000 essentially at cost. Qualifications: you must currently be an expert in something and be ready to invest $3,000. If interested, please DM me immediately. Serious individuals only that have the funds to invest. I'm qualifying, all right? Now, in this scenario, I didn't use a poll or a quiz or anything like that. I like to use those features because it creates micro commitments. In this particular case, I was looking for people to actually DM me. So by the time they DM, they've read this, they know the qualifications, they're gonna be serious. So I did that, and the result of that is I get this guy right here that says, let's go. I have 8 product services my company offers and need to poll online, all right? We sent a bunch of voice messages back and forth. He showed me his problem, all right? And we booked a deal. Sold the deal, $3 grand, all right? One day. I feel like I just sounded like Kevin Hart there, if you guys have ever heard his Uncle Richard Jr. stuff. So that's what I use to create micro commitments. Now, other times I will create polls where, for example, let's go to like some of my archive stories here. So I'll go over here, I'll go into insights, I'll go into stories here, see all. Let's go 24 hours. I think I had, here's another one. For example, like, I just finished my new book. It's in publication right now. It's being published right now. And so I was looking over the digital copy of it, and I was looking at the chapters, and I literally have a chapter called Condoms, Do or Die, Sink or Swim, Put Yourself in the Position to Win. And so I said, my new book literally has a chapter titled Condoms. Would you read it? For me, what I'm looking at is the 87% of people that voted yes. I got hundreds of votes on this poll. I'm gonna work these deals because they made a micro commitment. Yes, I would read the book. Now, the book isn't a big expense, right? Like, we'll sell it for $15. It'll cost me a few dollars for each copy. It'll cost me a few dollars to ship. I'll only make a few dollars on each book, but it's for branding. That's the purpose. It's branding, get the message out there, have more eyes on my offers, make myself known, right? And so there's like 400 people that voted on this. Now, of course, most people are all talk, but they micro committed, all right? It's memorable, it's in their head. Now when I approach them, now when I DM them, like the guy just showed you that DM'd me, or when somebody votes on the poll, yes, I would like to 10x my results making money online. You can now DM them, work the deal, and close them on your product, your service, your affiliate product, your business tool, your software, whatever it is. Smash the like button if you haven't done so already. And please let me know if you have questions at this point. Please drop it in the comments below. Let me know what your questions are. I reply to every single one of my comments. Anything short of a hi, hey, yo, what's up? I reply to all of the intellectual comments. You have a question, let me know in the comments. I will answer and I'll reply as soon as I see the comment, all right? So appreciate that. Now I'm gonna contact all 400 of these people. I'm gonna work the leads, or I'm gonna have one of my administrative assistants or one of my sales guys come in here, work the DMs, and we'll sell 50, we'll sell 80 of them on a book. We'll make a couple grand, all right? That is how to make money on Instagram in 2020, regardless of any algorithm, and it works extremely well. I would recommend that you use the poll feature. I recommend that you use the quiz feature, and what you're doing is you're able to gather data. Use your Instagram stories to tell stories, and use it to create micro commitments. So over the course of 4, 5, 6 stories, you're stringing along. You know, for one, that the person that started here and went to the 6th story, here's the way I look at this, is they didn't bounce off. So something in those 6 stories they felt connected to, okay? They were serious enough to view all 6 stories. That's a micro commitment. Now, did they vote on certain polls, quizzes, questions that I asked in those 6 slides? Yes, okay? And did they vote on the option that I can now work as a deal? For example, when you ask somebody, have you ever been interested in making money online, yes or no, you're not gonna work the people that said no. You're gonna go, okay, here's the people that said yes. Next story, next story. How many of the people that said yes got to this next story over here, all right? They're committed even further, all right? And then I usually have the hardest soft call to action that I can. if I could work with you to be able to help you make money online in the next XYZ days, would you be willing to invest your time and money to work with me? I didn't say invest how much time or invest how much money, but those that said yes, all right, I'm gonna work those deals now. Now, the last thing that I wanna say is you can switch it up. You can take different angles. You can create infographics to tell this story. Sometimes I literally will take my phone, I'll turn it around so it's like facing down on the counter, and I'll just take a picture, and then I'll put text over it. Sometimes I'll cover my hand over it. Sometimes I'll be on video. Hey, what's up, Ben Oberg here. Listen up, investors, entrepreneurs, if you wanna 10x your business in 2020 and get from that 5 to that 6-figure per month level, that 6 to that 7-figure per month level, I already done that, been there, done that. I wanna work with 2 individuals personally mentoring one-on-one. If you want the deal, swipe up. If you want the deal, vote yes on the poll. If you want the deal, DM me. If you want the deal, answer the question here. Let me know what your business is. I will contact you. We'll get this working. All right? You got to take multiple angles. All right? Crush 2020. This is how to make money on Instagram in 2020, regardless of your account, repost, personal, whatever the case may be, algorithm proof. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Oh, and by the way, should have shown you this earlier. Here's proof that this is not just all talk, and here's proof that I do this literally every single month on Instagram, all right? I told you I'd show you income. There's the income. Now you know it. I work deals. I make money on Instagram every single day. I'm gonna make more money on Instagram in 2020 than I ever have. It will be a record year, and I'm gonna keep using this proprietary method to keep making money on Instagram, all right? Hope you loved the video. Make sure to share this with somebody that you know would love this, because you don't need to be in competition with anybody. Dominate your industry. You'll never have competition. Don't worry about competition. But if you know somebody else that's also trying to make money on Instagram, share this because it will help them and you'll be a good friend. Smash the like button. See you guys in the next video.